Here is how to fix the issue if Epic Games is not sending verification emails. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue if Epic Games is not sending you verification emails. So let's start. First of all, when you log into your account in the Epic Games website and go to account, you'll come to the settings page. Then after, go to password and security. Inside password and security, make sure you have enabled the email authentication system, and then check if you have used the correct email address. If you have made sure that you have used the correct address, then here are some steps that you can apply to fix the issue. The first thing that you can do is wait for around a minute to let the code arrive in your email. Sometimes there are delays in sending the code, so wait for some time and check if you have received the email. Then after, the second thing that you can do is check the spam folders of your email. Sometimes your emails are kept in the spam folders, so make sure to check the spam folders in order to see if there is the email. Furthermore, if you still haven't received the verification email, then try sending another email from the website. Finally, if you are still having problem with receiving verification emails, then you can directly contact Epic Games. For that, go to the official website of Epic Games. Then after, go to support. After you go to support, write your specific problem in the search bar and then look for any articles. If you find any article related to your problem, then you can simply refer to that article and apply the process. If you can't find one, then as you scroll below, you'll find this contact us option. Click on contact us and directly contact to the Epic Games. So in this way, you can fix the issue if Epic Games is not sending verification emails. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.